Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video to any of you trying to find where the radiator fan, also known as cooling fan, fuses, relays are located on Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, we'll talk about that. And after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. After that, guys, we'll explain, okay, let's start on it and explain what you can expect to find these fuses and relays. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, okay, where you can expect to find fuses, relays for the radiator fan, also known as cooling fan on that Mercedes GLC. It will be hidden situation. Most people, guys, when they open the hood, they know about the main engine fuse box that's right here under that cover, and when you open it, it looks like this one. But big surprise, guys, okay, under the hood you have another hidden fuse box that most people do not know about. You see right here the positive jump starter terminal. That's actually part of a pre-fuse box that looks like this one, and this is the back side of that pre-fuse box. You have multiple cables coming out of everywhere, guys, and when you open it, it will look something similar to this one with multiple mega fuses. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test the relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here, guys, what we need to check. Now let's explain, okay, what we have. You may have two different designs. This is the first one, okay, depending on the year and model. You may have this one, and here you will need to check fuse number 7 and fuse number 9. These two fuses right here, 7 and 9. Now, guys, test all the fuses since you're here. Now, if you have that design, there is very limited information, okay, but test all the fuses. You have just a few fuses in that one. Most likely you will have, okay, this design right here with 7 and 9, but when you open the pre-fuse box, always check this, because otherwise the radiator fan, cooling fan is controlled by the engine computer. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.